Do I need an approved installer?
That's a good question. I guess generally, a lot of companies do have approved installers, and they have, training schemes. The actual worthwhileness, if that's a word, of some of those training schemes, I am not 100% sure about. But from my experience, if you've got an installer, they don't have to be, they don't have to be through any training course specifically. But if they're interested and willing to learn, those are the best ones that we come across. Obviously, we create a lot of content about installation, and we've got everything on fibres. And what do you come across when you talk to people?
I think quality installation is everything. I would much rather see 20 or 30 mil of insulation installed to an extremely high standard, and would value that type of building much better than 100 mil of insulation installed poorly. That doesn't necessarily require an approved installer to deliver that. We frequently see homeowners who've never wielded a trowel before deliver those types of projects to an extremely high standard. Assuming you've got someone, as you say, who's willing to commit themselves to the process of sort of doing these things right. And there's a lot of guidance out there, as you say, things like fibres.
And the important thing with a lot of these materials that I try and sort of focus people on is that, yes, the materials might be different to what you might get down at the local builder's merchant, but every single one of them is uses skills that are readily available. So the lime plasters, they just happen to say lime on them. The plaster in a bag, you add water, you trowel it on the wall. It's that straightforward. The same with the air tightness with the wood fibre boards. They are boards, they are membranes. You use them as you would anything else.
And the materials themselves as well, wood fibre particularly, it's extremely easy to work with and scribe. And if you've got any kind of carpentry skill, you'll be able to work so readily with that type of
exactly
material.
And also, again, with all of our specifications, there's always a good degree of latitude for the odd imperfection in installation anyway. So yeah, approved installers. Yes, we for certain things, obviously with NatureWall, we've got the course online, and we do want people to go through that to make sure absolutely that they know what they're doing. But it's attitude that, as you say, that is the key for all of that.
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent.